Let's start with the stock market action. Positive global cues and a late rally in financial stocks helped boost sentiment. Sensex gained nearly 500 points and the Nifty gained over 100 points. Nifty Bank Index gained nearly 2%. To the currency market, rupee shook off early weakness to end flat in what was a cautious start to the week. The RBI was reported to have intervened last week to avert more depreciation. As things stand, $1 is worth more than 82 rupees. Jeremy Hunt, the new British finance minister, has scrapped almost all the planned tax cuts announced in the Truss government's mini-budget last month. The move is to appease the markets, which went into a turmoil after Hunt's predecessor, Kwasi Kwarteng, announced unfunded tax cuts. He was fired earlier this month after facing severe backlash for his announcement. Sanjay Suri gets us more.
Following on from the two dramatic U-turns we saw earlier on Liz Truss's policy announcements in government and through her campaign, new Chancellor Jeremy Hunt has gone yet further to U-turn now on just about every significant policy decision announced in that now discredited mini-budget of September the 23rd. In a third major U-turn, now the Chancellor says the basic income tax rate will not change. It will stay at 20%. And not 19% as proposed in that mini-budget. That mini-budget had announced the dropping of the top rate from 45% to 40%, but that was reversed soon after. The next reversal, the next U-turn came over corporation tax. Liz Truss announced that she will restore Rishi Sunak's plans to raise corporation tax from 19% to 25%, and now we are back to the 20% basic rate. And there are more reversals we see now, U-turns right across the board over a VAT-free shopping for visitors as proposed earlier. That goes over a freeze on alcohol duty rates, the cuts to dividend tax rates, and that other giveaway by way of government support with energy bills, not quite abandoned entirely, but Hunt has said it will be reviewed. Quite suddenly, it now seems Liz Truss and her government certainly thinks the absolute opposite of what it had thought and decided to do just 3 weeks back. By early indications, these U-turns appear to have calmed the markets for the moment. The government's cost of borrowing is down a little, though still not back to the pre-mini-budget levels. These U-turns, of course, were rushed in order to calm the markets, but it's not certain that they will continue to deliver as intended. Certainly, Truss's credibility has crashed, and more MPs from her party are now demanding that she must go.